And so you make it about the same way I had it. Now connect with somebody else and toss it to them.
Red ball.
Red ball.
And then once you get it, okay? That's fine. It will catch you off guard sometimes, but okay?
Then, suddenly.
Oh, then suddenly.
Is.
You know, the students are so brilliant at this school.
Take it back.
Some of the kids are kind of smart, but most of them are really dumb.
And what's a specific use? What might you use it in the classroom? What specific thing?
Get them to open their minds to other people's ideas instead of, no, this is the only way it is.
Right. Because they're going to take a trip, and how are they going to get there? By plane, by train. They're going to walk. They're going to crawl. I mean, whatever you want. But you can see how to get them to open their minds and just think a little bit differently. Whether you say change or ring a bell or have, let a student be the one who does that. Doesn't that get in the way? So you're going to be listening to each other, and you're forced to listen because you're going to remember the last word they said, what it starts with, and you start your next sentence. We'll talk to each other.
When I communicate with students, I often have to repeat myself.
Me too. I do that all the time, 3 and 4 times.
Today, I had a conversation with a 12-year-old, and I found him
Challenge in an entertaining way. It's find ways to. It's like I'm used to what the kids the kids are always going to say, well, I don't want to do this and that. So I just give
And they were not happy with his beliefs in
His
go for it.
who was a
Mouse.
Let me Google it. There's all kinds of different ways to use space. What's my grandmother's favorite car?
Oh, really?
What's your least favorite car?
Cadillac.
I'm excited. I'm really excited. Dance a little too. Okay, now be sad. Keep moving in your space and be sad.